Hello, it's Andrew from Fine & Country, and my word, I'm really excited to be able to showcase today one of Launceston's landmark homes. It's an exceptional property with an enviable view of the historic Norman castle. So join me as we go in and explore this home together. And here we are inside the property. As you'll see, we have a super main reception space, which is flanked on either side by UPVC doors. And here we have a stone fire surround with a flue suitable for the connection of a wood-burning stove. And on my right side here, we have an inner hallway leading to a study, which is ideal for those who work from home. And here we have the spacious kitchen dining room with plenty of room here for a good sized table. On my left, we have an electric Aga able to be controlled easily for the keen cook. There's also additional appliances within the kitchen, encompassing a Bosch oven, a hob and extractor, and also a dishwasher. But have a look at this. My favourite part of the kitchen. Just look at where the sink is. Washing up here would never be a chore with that wonderful view. The kitchen has double doors out to the rear patio, and also an interconnecting door leading into the utility room with a range of additional units and also a side external door. And in addition, we have an extended entrance hallway. Pencroft has the benefit of 4 bedrooms. 3 of those bedrooms are located at the rear elevation, all having double doors leading out to the garden. The main bedroom seen here has the benefit of a walk-in wardrobe with further integrated mirrored storage, and also a ensuite bathroom WC, which is pristine with a separate shower cubicle. Bedroom 2 also has the benefit of an ensuite bathroom WC with a shower attachment over the panelled bath. Bedrooms 3 and 4 share use of the well presented and modern showering WC, which has a large shower tray. And outside we have large lawned gardens with plenty of shrubs and bushes offering a variety of colour. And in the distance, in front of the gleaming slopes of Dartmoor National Park, we can see members of the public ambling around in the historic castle grounds, making the most of a spectacular summer's afternoon. The modern detached bungalow is positioned on the edge of Launceston town. One of the delights of living here is having miles and miles of walks along lanes accessible directly from your front door, but also be within a short distance of the main town and all its facilities. Pencroft is approached by these double entrance gates which lead into the gravelled sweeping driveway. On my left you can see a detached double garage which also has a storage area at the side. The level patio is the perfect place to step outside and enjoy a drink or a meal when the weather is kind. The property is offered for sale with no forward chain, and an early internal inspection is highly recommended to appreciate the delightful setting to the absolute full. The modern bungalow benefits from UPVC double glazed external windows and doors, and warmth is provided by oil-fired central heating. Throughout the property, there's a range of recessed low voltage halogen lighting, and floor coverings are a mixture of carpet and vinyl. So there we have it. What an amazing opportunity to acquire one of Launceston's finest homes. So if this resonates with your anticipated lifestyle, then please contact Fine & Country today. We'd love to tell you more on 01566 77 1919.